Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2020 and a half Cruiser RV MPG 2500 BH travel trailer. This is a one slide out bunkhouse trailer with a small outdoor kitchen. We're going to take a few minutes, walk you around the inside and then back to the outside of this new RV. Alright guys, we're now up inside this new MPG 2500 BH trailer. We're going to start here looking toward the rear of the coach. We have two bunk beds in the back of the unit. Double bunks. Top bunk has a 275-pound rating. Do have a window, and a light, and an electric outlet up inside the bunk area. And same thing down below here. But down below the bunk is storage. On the right-hand side back here is your bathroom area. So you have a foot flush toilet, little sink area with some storage down below, medicine cabinet, and then a decent amount of closet space there for towels and washcloths. Little vent fan up top there, skylight over the shower area. But for a bunkhouse trailer, it does have a decent amount of room in the bathroom, and it does have a small little tub. It's probably about, I'd say, 8 to 10 inches deep maybe. So if you do have a small child, you could bathe them in the tub if you needed to. Now spinning back around here, looking toward the front of the RV. Your master bedroom is going to be in the front. We'll get to that in a second here. But we're going to start here looking at the kitchen area here. You have the Furrion oven with the built-in little LED lit knobs and oven, glass stove top. They're doing the Greystone microwave there. Decent amount of overhead cabinet there above the sink area. It's got a large one-bowl sink with the little high-rise faucet. 3 drawers and some storage down below the sink area as well. Now, over on the left side, you have your U-shaped dinette, which will make into a bed. There's some storage space below there. Big windows, which are about 50% opening, so it lets in a pretty good amount of fresh air from outside. And you have the 10.7 cubic foot 12 volt EverChill refrigerator. And you also have your air conditioner and thermostat here on the wall on the left. Decent amount of room for television to go up there. You could do probably a 32 to 40 inch depending on the brand and type of TV that you want. But you could do a pretty good sized TV right there for an RV. Radio with indoor-outdoor speakers. Some little LED light strips and backlighting in some of the cabinet areas. And in the master bedroom, you can enter from either side here. And basically you have a camper king bed in a travel trailer. You have overhead cabinets, hanging closet on both sides of the bed. They do little nightstands on each side of the bed as well, along with electric outlet and USB charger ports. Window on both sides of the bed, so you can actually get some cross breeze here as well. And the bed does raise up, so there is some storage under there that you're seeing pop up. And there's also a little bit of room to kind of scoot around and maneuver around. Now, back here is more TV hookups. So you could do a flat screen TV on the wall back here, and you also have a roof vent up here with a little fan. But a decent size bedroom with a king bed at that for a shorter RV. Now on the side of the cabinet here is your little control center, which has some light switches, slide switches, and also has the awning button and a battery disconnect there, along with your monitoring panel as well for your holding tanks and stuff. And I think I forgot to mention by the bunk down there, there's a little brown contraption down there is your electric box with your breakers and fuses, your little converter box. And you also have, that you're seeing there, some pantry space as well. We're going to take a few minutes and run you around the outside of this RV, and then we're going to also close up the camper and show you what it looks like closed, so you can kind of get an idea what that would look like if you had to stop at a rest area or something like that. We'll be right back. All right, guys, we're back on the outside of this new MPG. We're going to start here in the front section of the RV. And on the front, you have a nice heavy-duty 3/4 fiberglass cap here with some LED light strips built in. But the 3/4 cap is a nice feature compared to a traditional flat roll RV front. This is stronger. It's going to hold up better to winds and rains and water, all that type of stuff, where a flat roll front can kind of compress in driving down the road with, 65, 70 mile an hour winds pushing against it. And also, it's not going to delaminate where a flat roll could possibly delaminate. So it is a nice improvement for a front end of an RV. The bottom section, lower diamond plate right there, comes standard with two 20-pound propane tanks with the hard bottle cover that you're seeing there. Power tongue jack with a manual override, a little built-in light as well. 2 5/16 hitch ball. Also has safety chains, 7-way Bargman plug, so it works your lights and your brakes and all that type of stuff. All plugged in right there. Now on the side over here, there is a little pet-friendly hook thing on the front, so you could leash up your dog or something like that there. And you have power jacks on the front and rear of the coach. So you push a button, they go up and down. They can also be manually overridden. Now these are stabilizer jacks. These are not like automatic leveling jacks like you get on a big high-end motorhome or fifth wheel. But it's kind of nice. You just hit a button, they come down, touch the ground, stabilize everything up. Pretty good size pass-through storage area here. Does have a little LED light strip built in. You can also see the aluminum framing there, the plywood material up there on the bottom of the bed. But a pretty clean storage compartment and a good size storage compartment at that. Also, they have the slam lock baggage doors and magnetic holders instead of the plastic clips. So a little bit nicer setup there. Deep tint safety glass windows. I really like this feature. Some brands of RVs just have clear glass. And while it does make them look brighter sitting on a dealer's lot, not plugged in, it will allow for the camper to heat up a little more. It will also allow for, the thing to fade out just having clear glass. It's like tinting the windows of your car. It just really kind of helps extend the life of things and just kind of helps keep it a little cooler. Power awning. So you push a button, the awning goes in and out, has adjustable arms for tilting for water runoff. Also up on this top arm headpiece right here, there's a little rubber plug you can pull out, manually crank it in and out in case of an electronic failure. I really like that feature. Some of these power awnings don't have that feature, and you've got to basically tear it apart to roll it up by hand. It's kind of a pain in the butt. So kudos for them for doing this awning. It is a little bit better awning. Traditional entry door for an RV, but the window in the door is slim shade ready, so you can actually buy, they make a blind specifically for it that goes in there and it slides up and down. So that is kind of nice that they are set up for that. Also, they are a key-alike system. So the entry door key works the storage doors. And they also have a little cool push button on them with a little light built in. So if you are coming up to your camper at night or your storage door at night and it's a little dark, it's got a little light built in. It's not super bright, but it is something there to help. More ride step to get you in and out of the coach, which is pretty cool. I like these steps. They hold more weight and just kind of helps keep the camper from shaking when the kids are running in and out of the RV. Large folding entry handle that you see there. Also, your model number right there, 2500 BH. You're also going to see the advertisement sticker for the 3-year limited structural warranty. I harp on that when I get to these brands sometimes because there's a lot of brands that still don't do a 3-year structural warranty. It's getting more popular, so some have jumped on board and stuff, but there are some still doing a 1-year warranty, and that's it on the structure. So it is nice to see that. Also, the climate defense sticker you're seeing there does have the enclosed underbelly and things like that for the extended season camping. Aluminum wheels, nice feature there, just a little bit cleaner look, cooler look to it. You have your furnace exhaust out right here, stove exhaust up top, LED light strip you're seeing there reflecting off of that. There is a light. If you don't want to do the awning light, there you can flip the switch the other way, and there's a light that pops up below the steps right here. Pretty cool. Outside TV hookups here. If you want to do an outside TV, you can mount one out here. And then you have a little mini fridge, little slide out outdoor kitchen here, which is kind of nice. You have a 2-burner gas stove top, hot and cold sink. The sink is actually plumbed in, where some of these guys are just doing a little cheap dump sink, where it does get the job done, but it's kind of nice to not have to worry about doing that. And then you also have a little shelf back there for more storage. And on the lower left corner here is another pet-friendly hookup right there. So you could hook one animal to the front, one animal to the back if you wanted to, or just move them back and forth, and you can do that. On the back of the RV is the 6-gallon gas and electric water heater that you're seeing there. Spare tire. The unit is also pre-wired for an observation camera or backup camera. Would definitely recommend the Furrion observation camera. That's really what it's meant for, a Furrion product. But that is a cool feature to let you see behind you driving down the road as well. So I would definitely recommend that if you are interested in that. Talk with your salesperson about that feature. Now I left the slide closed up over here, which you've seen what it looked like when it was out from inside there. But it is closed up currently, so it's just a little easier to get around here. But you have an electric slide. We'll close that up at the end after we're done here, so you can see what it looks like moving in and out. Power cord hooks up right here on the back. 30 amp power cord. Cable, satellite hookups, black tank flush to help you clean out the toilet tank, city water hookups, outside spray port as well. And then your gray and black tank dump are also right down there. And up here is the other side of the pass-through storage compartment. And just to the left of that is a portable solar panel plug if you wanted to plug in a portable solar panel. They do recommend the Go Power. Now up here is going to be some informational stickers for you. Model number, serial number, axle size, 2 3,500-pound axles, tire size, ST205 75 R15D range tires. Gross vehicle weight, which is axle weight and hitch weight combined, max you can load it to 7,728 pounds. Again, guys, all of the weight does not sit on the axles. That is what that tongue jack is there for. Also, when you hook it to your truck, a good amount of weight sits on the back of your truck. So everything does not go to those axles. I get that question a lot. Full walk-on roof, so you can get up there, walk around, maintain things. Just make sure, again, there's nothing sharp stuck in your shoes so you don't damage the roof materials. Nice big high arch ceiling, which you've seen when we were inside there. I forgot to mention. So definitely like that barrel rolled ceiling there on the inside. Again, guys, check out Couch's RV Nation, one of the largest internet wholesale dealers in the country, guys. They're going to save you a lot of money on a new RV if you're ready for one. Thanks again, guys. All right, guys, we're back inside the RV now, and I just wanted to take a minute here and close up the slide, kind of show you how it works. This is an electric slide out. So you just push a button and it goes in and out. It's pretty simple to do, and you can also stop it pretty much anywhere you want to. So if you only needed to bump it out a few inches or something like that, you could do so. And when it gets all the way in, it kind of makes a little ratchety noise, just kind of allowing you to know that it's done. It's basically kind of a little slip gear. So when it is closed, you can still fully come in here, get to the bathroom, get to the kitchen, you know, get to the kids' stuff, anything that you need to really get to on the side of the road. Spin back around here. Don't forget, guys, to like, share, and subscribe if you are interested in keeping up with more videos. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get notified when the new RV videos come out, guys.